how to add photo in your CapCut videos. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to add photos in your CapCut video. In order to do it, so first thing first, go ahead and launch the CapCut application on your device. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now, while you're on the home page, what you need to do is go ahead and click on New Project. As soon as you press the New Project option, now what next you need to do is you need to go ahead and locate the particular video where you actually want to go ahead and add a photo. I'm gonna go with this one, so click the select button from the top right and click on Add. Once it is added, now to add a photo or to add any other specific object, click on Overlay. As soon as you do that, click on Add Overlay one more time. Here you could go ahead and select the photo that you wish to add. So I'm gonna go with the one. So let's see, I'm gonna go with this one. So click on Add, and as soon as you click on the Add button here, you could go ahead and add it. And if you want to lengthen it, you could just go ahead and do this. Then play the video from the very beginning. So that's how you could go ahead and add a photo. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.